Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple all-natural lemongrass and citrus surface spray cleaner. It's fresh, it's effective, and it's super easy to put together using just a few everyday ingredients. I started making my own spray cleaners at home to avoid extra unnatural ingredients. With that in mind, this recipe uses food-grade distilled white vinegar, which is considered a natural product. Be careful because there are some types of vinegar that are not food safe or natural. Let's start making the spray cleaner by cutting the peels off a combination of citrus. I'm using a combination of peels from an orange, lemon, and lime. Put the fresh peels in a large mason jar. I'm using a 32-ounce size jar. And I'll link in the description to where you can find the supplies used in this video along with a link to find the full recipe for this spray on my website. Next, chop up a few lemongrass stalks and leaves with some scissors and add it to the mason jar. Once the mason jar is full of peels and lemongrass, pour enough distilled white vinegar until everything is completely covered. The vinegar is what's going to break down and pull out all the good stuff from the citrus peels and lemongrass. Plus, vinegar itself is a natural cleaner. It helps cut grease and dissolves mineral deposits. Now that the jar is ready, I put on the lid and label it with a date. Then I store it in a cool, dark place like a pantry or cupboard for at least 2 weeks. The longer you let it sit, the stronger and more fragrant it will become. After 2 weeks or more, it's time to strain. I pour the mixture through a fine strainer or cheesecloth into a clean bowl. This is concentrate that needs to be diluted with equal parts of water before use. I found these plastic spray bottles on Amazon that are the perfect size. I added enough water to fill half of the bottle and then topped it with the Lemongrass Citrus Cleaning Spray concentrate. I'm putting together all natural homemade product baskets as Christmas gifts this year, so I designed and printed pretty labels for each bottle. If you'd like to use them too, find the link in the description to download and print them for free. Now the spray is ready to use. I use this spray on most kitchen and bathroom surfaces, countertops, sinks, glass, stainless steel, and even trash bins. Just spray, let it sit for a minute, and wipe it away with a clean cloth. One quick reminder, because vinegar is acidic, don't use this spray on natural stone like marble or granite and avoid unfinished wood. And that's it, a simple natural lemongrass and citrus surface spray cleaner you can make at home with just a few ingredients. It smells fresh, it's non-toxic, and it's so satisfying to make your own cleaning products. If you enjoyed this DIY, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other homemade cleaners you'd like to see. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.